Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can enable Opera GX VPN. So first step you need to do is to open Opera GX. So once it is open, you simply need to click on settings and you need to open the settings. When settings is open, you simply need to click here search settings. So you simply need to search for VPN. And here you can see enable VPN. So you simply need to enable that. Here you can see that it is now enabling, and here you need to click on connect to VPN when starting browsing. So here you need to click on that. So this is the process that you need to follow to enable Opera GX VPN. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.